Hey, what's up guys, Fezo here, welcome back to another video and thanks for downloading my webcam overlay template. In this video I'm going to help you guys by showing you how to change the text, colors and social media icons. So let's get started. Just open the Photoshop and open my webcam overlay template. And that's my second webcam overlay. The first time I created the tutorial, you can check the tutorial from my description below or just go to my channel and search the webcam overlay tutorial. And second time I'm going to share the webcam overlay template itself. And don't worry guys, I put all things in the description below, such as fonts and webcam template itself. So let's back to this video. Just go to webcam overlay group and click this drop down menu, and let's start with changing social media icons and text. Changing text is very simple. Just select your text tool right there, and for example I'm going to change this your text to the Fezo designs. Just select all text and write your text. I'm going to write Fezo designs. And when you're done, just click move tool and press Ctrl T on your keyboard and make it smaller, just like that. And when you finish, just click enter or click this button right there, and with your move tool just move it a little bit up, and here you go. You can also change this stay connected text by selecting text tool. Just select this text and change it whatever you want. You can also change this color. Just select connected text and go to this color option, and you can change the color if you want. It's very simple to do. I'm happy with yellow color. Just click cancel, and I'm going to grab my move tool. And let's close this social media group and move on the changing the colors. Just open this webcam change color group, click this drop down, and you will see lots of layers. Just don't touch these layers, and you will see this red hue saturation layers. For example, I'm going to change the color from purple to blue. For that, just hide this purple layer and select this blue layer, just like that, and black color. And if you want custom color, just select this layer, double click on this circle icon, and just play around with hue, saturation and lightness to get your favorite color. For example, I'm going to change it to nice green color. I'm going to decrease the saturation a little bit, and lightness like -5. Looks great. It's very simple to change the colors, but I'm happy with purple color. I love this color, and also black looks great on this webcam. Okay guys, when you're done editing your text, colors and social medias, but I forgot to change the social media icons, so let's back to the social media group. Open the social group, and let's change the Twitter icon to Instagram icon. For that, hide this Twitter layer. Just go to file, place, and place the Instagram and press enter, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard and make it smaller, just like that. Then press enter and select your move tool, move it to the right place. I'm going to make it a little bit more small, just like that, and using your arrow key to put the social media icons to the right place, just like that. If you want to change the color, just go to social group, double click on it, you will get the layer style option. Just go to color overlay and you can grab the color here like blue, green, or whatever color you want. I'm happy with white color. Just click OK, and here you go. Okay guys, after finishing your edit, just close all the group and open that webcam change color group, and at the bottom you will see the webcam area. Just hide this webcam area, just click here and just close all this group and right click on this webcam overlay group and select merge group, just like that. Also hide this background and go to webcam overlay, press Ctrl T, make it smaller a little bit, just like that, and put it where you want. I'm going to put it top right corner, just like that. Then press enter, and for the save, just go to file, export, and click save for web and press it maybe PNG 24, and also just select PNG 24 and make sure the transparency is selected, and click save and save it to your desktop or where you want. I'm already saved it, just click cancel, and here we go. You will get the nice webcam overlay. You can use it on your gaming videos or whatever you want. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this template, and if you want more tutorials, just write a comment below. I will create more tutorials for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.